The miracle of life. The heavens declare the glory of God, and the firmament sheweth his handiwork. Day unto day uttereth speech, and night unto night sheweth knowledge. There is no speech nor language, where their voice is not heard. Psalm chapter 19 verse 1-3. There is a language in nature that speaks of the existence of God. It is the language of order, beauty, perfection, and intelligence. Some time ago a scientist told me that when he gave serious thought to the majestic order of the universe and its obedience to unchanging law, he could not help but believe in God. He had become aware that God was speaking through nature. God speaks in the certainty and regularity of the seasons, in the precision of the movements of the sun, the moon, and the stars, in the regular coming of night and day, in the balance between man's consumption of life-giving oxygen and its production by the plant life of the earth, and even in the cry of a newborn child with its ever-new dimension of the miracle of life. Prayer for the day. The beauty of this day will be a constant reminder of the magnificence of you, God.